Welcome to this video from Cumulus Pro on how to configure a user task, in this case web validation, with the Stratos Process Designer. Stratos is a cloud-based document process automation solution that integrates into your line of business system, such as accounting software, document management systems. Visit our website cumuluspro.com for more information. We see here the Stratos Process Designer. I have an existing process where I want to add a user task. On the left in the menu, I click on the second last icon, the user task. I drag the task onto the existing workflow and label it Validation. I click onto the settings dialog opens. A user task is where a user looks at the document, checks the index fields and takes an action such as completing a document. The first option, assign users to round robin, is how we assign documents to the users. With round robin on, documents get assigned to each user one by one. Means if I have 5 users and 5 documents, each user gets assigned one document. If we switch this to off, then the documents are available to all the users as a pool of documents. In case we have 5 documents, the user sees all 5 documents and selects the document the user wants to work on. The other users can see which users work on what document. Show the number of documents is how many documents are displayed to the user at any given time. If we set this to 5, then the maximum of 5 documents are shown to the user, even if there are more documents in the queue. Whenever the user completes a document, a new document is loaded. In application configuration, we select web validation as the only option. This is a placeholder for the future where we can choose between different interfaces to display tasks to the users. Next, we have a look at validation buttons. We defined what kind of actions are available to the users. By default, no actions are enabled. We enable the complete action. This displays us the label and the title. Both labels and titles can be changed. For example, instead of complete, we can change the label to approve. This depends on the function for the user. We now enable a second button, Reject. This gives the user the choice between completing or rejecting a document. Once finished, I close the dialog by pressing the X. Thank you for watching this how-to video from Cumulus Pro.